Alright, I'm going to be comparing the S21B, Convoy S21B to the Convoy M21B. S21B on the left. Okay. Impressive. Hitting those trees very easily in the back. I like the larger body as well. Dissipates heat better. And here's the M21B, and I mean, look at that. It's just the M21B definitely throws a lot further. I mean, there's no surprises there. It's considering that it's got a larger reflector, okay, but the hotspot is smaller. Okay, that's the S21B, M21B, okay, and as you can see, significant difference in the size of the hotspot. So if you don't need a light that throws really that far, you can get by with the S21B. Look at that, that's even back in the, right at the back there, I'd say that's almost 500 meters or so. There's trees right in the clearing. Okay, M21B reaches it, but the S21B maybe just tints it a little. Yeah, a little. Okay, you can definitely see it on the M21B. Okay, and comparing the heat coming off from both of them, the S21B is definitely getting hot. It's hotter than the M21B. Okay, and of course it is a smaller host. There's trees out the back. I like the fact that Convoy lights don't ramp down all so quickly, and you have that manual control as well. If it gets too hot, you can of course just change the mode to a lower mode, like 30% or so. Okay, both these are on 100%. You know, look at those tree tops there. Yeah, just okay, here's the S21 by itself, so you can compare the spill as well. Similar sort of spill. I mean, in terms of light produced, yeah, pretty similar. Can't tell the difference between the amount of lumens produced side by side. Very similar, but of course, a big difference in throw. The S21 is starting to ramp down a little bit.